Want to bring your spouse or kids with you to the UK in 2026? It sounds simple, but the UK has changed the rules, and they could make or break your application. In this video, we break down latest UK dependent visa rules, who qualifies, what proof you really need, and how to avoid costly mistakes so you can keep your family together in the UK. Key changes to UK dependent visa rules in 2026. The UK dependent visa, also called a family or dependent visa, lets close family members join or stay with someone already in the UK on a valid visa, like a work, student, or skilled worker visa. It's a great way for families to stay together while the main visa holder lives and works in the UK. Who can apply as a dependent? Typically, these family members qualify. 1. Your husband, wife, civil partner, or unmarried partner must prove genuine long-term relationship. 2. Your children under 18, or sometimes over 18 if already in the UK as a dependent. 3. In some cases, adult dependent relatives if they need long-term care from you, but this is very strict and separate. Rules vary by the main visa type, for example, skilled worker, student, or global talent. UK dependent visa eligibility in 2026. To qualify, you generally need to 1. Prove a genuine relationship, aka marriage certificate, birth certificate for kids, or evidence of cohabitation. 2. Meet financial requirements, more on this below. 3. Show adequate accommodation in the UK without relying on public funds. 4. For partners, prove basic English language skills, A1 level or higher in some cases, with exemptions for certain ages or conditions. The main visa holder must be on an eligible route that allows dependents, aka skilled worker at higher skill levels. Key changes to UK dependent visa rules in 2026. Rules tightened in 2025 and continue into 2026 to reduce net migration. Major points. For skilled worker visas, dependents are restricted for lower-skilled jobs, RQF Level 3 to 5, including many care roles. New applicants in these jobs often can't bring dependents unless the main worker started before key dates like March 2024 for care or July 2025 for medium-skilled. Higher-skilled roles, RQF Level 6, still allow dependents. Some routes, like temporary shortage list roles, don't permit dependents. Stricter English rules for partners in some family or work routes. Proposed shifts to earned settlement from April 2026 may affect long-term paths to permanent residence for dependents on work visas, potentially longer waits. Family of British citizens often keep the 5-year path. Always check the latest on the official site as rules evolve. Financial requirements for dependents. This depends on the visa route. For many work routes, like skilled worker, dependents must show savings, £285 for a partner, £315 for the first child, £200 for each extra child, held for 28 days. The main applicant has separate requirements, not fixed. For partner or family routes, like joining a British citizen or settled person, combined income usually at least £29,000 per year since 2024 increase, plus extra for children, £3,800 for the first child, £2,400 each after. Or savings can substitute in some cases. Student dependents, often £845 per month, London, or £680 a month elsewhere for up to 9 months. UK dependent visa fees in 2026. Fees vary by route, length, and location. Application fees often £769 to £1,519 per person outside UK, depending on duration, or similar inside UK. Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, around £1,035 per year for adults, £776 for children. Biometrics and other costs are extra. Check exact fees for your route on gov.uk as they can change. Rights of UK dependent visa holders. Once approved, dependents can 1. Live in the UK with the main visa holder. 2. Study, most levels. 3. Work, partners usually full-time, children when eligible. UK dependent visa requirements in summary. 1. Genuine relationship proof. 2. Financial and accommodation evidence. 3. English for partners where needed. 4. No criminality issues. 5. TB test if from certain countries. How to apply for a UK dependent visa? The main visa holder applies first or already has permission. 1. Dependents apply online via gov.uk, separate applications but link to main via reference number. 2. Pay fees and IHS. 3. Book biometrics at a visa center. 4. Upload/submit documents. 5. Wait for decision, usually 3 to 12 weeks outside UK. Apply from outside or inside UK depending on the situation. UK Dependent Visa Documents Checklist. Common documents tailored to your route. 1. Valid passport or travel document. 2. Proof of relationship, marriage certificates, photos, or messages. 3. Main visa holder's passport, visa, and reference number. 4. Financial proof, bank statements, payslips, sponsor letter. 5. Accommodation evidence, tenancy agreement, mortgage. 6. English test results if required. 7. TB test certificate if applicable. 8. Previous passports or visas. Dependents who applied before 22 July 2025 are not affected by the new rules. They can stay in the UK and extend their dependent visas even if the main applicant's job is at RQF level 3 to 5. However, earlier restrictions still apply. Since January 2024, most international students cannot bring dependents unless they are studying a PhD or postgraduate research program. From 11th March 2024, care workers and senior care workers are no longer allowed to bring dependents to the UK. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon. Take care.